Hi, in this video you will learn about our top 5 best triple net properties to buy for your 1031 exchange. Buying a single tenant triple net property is the best alternative for your 1031 exchange replacement property. A single tenant triple net property offers the investor a truly passive income investment with no landlord responsibilities. The tenant takes care of pretty much everything and your rental income is net. Hi, my name is Alex Casablanca, managing broker at Casablanca Triple Net Lease Advisors. We are a boutique brokerage firm based in Orlando, Florida, specializing in selling triple net investment properties nationwide USA. We represent buyers, sellers, and 1031 exchange investors in finding and negotiating the best triple net property according to their investment goals and risk tolerance. But the question that most 1031 exchange investors have is, what is the best triple net property to buy for my 1031 exchange? In this short video, I'm going to tell you the top 5 categories and several examples of top tenants in each category. First and foremost, the best triple net property is the one in which the tenant provides an essential and irreplaceable product or service to the consumer. As we all know, technology has created drastic changes in consumer spending and behavior. Nowadays, we can buy pretty much anything on Amazon, so it is very important to focus our search on properties and brand names that could be considered Amazon-proof. Let's start by focusing on the tenants and brands that serve the main necessities that we have as humans and as a society, which basically are food, shelter, medical care, gas, transportation, among others. Those are the things that we cannot buy in Amazon, neither now nor in the foreseeable future. Now, in the triple net context, what are those tenants and how we can find them? So let's get into the top 5 best triple net properties to buy for your 1031 exchange. Number 1, fast foods and coffee shops. Fast foods and coffee shops are the preferred triple net property segment for the triple net and 1031 exchange investors in general. Within the context of food as a primary necessity, fast food restaurants provide that necessity quickly with maximum convenience and efficiency. Coffee, although not a primary necessity, most of us cannot live without a morning cup of coffee. If you drive by a Starbucks or a Dutch Bros in the morning, you will see a long line of cars lining up to get a cup of coffee in the morning. Nowadays, you can order your food or coffee from your phone and you can even get delivered to your door. During the COVID-19 pandemic, most fast food restaurants stayed open and continued operating throughout the drive-thru and continued making their monthly payment without disruptions. The fast foods brands that we recommend the most are Chipotle, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell, Wendy's, Popeyes, among several others. These are strong companies with strong business models and customer recognition. The coffee brands that we recommend the most are Starbucks, Dutch Bros, and Dunkin' Donuts. Number 2, medical health care facilities. Medical and healthcare facilities are an excellent triple net investment. With the current medical advances and medications, people are living longer, increasing the need for medical care. Particularly, urgent care and primary care facilities are in the first line of necessity and accessibility for the consumer when they have an immediate medical need. Dialysis centers are in the second layer of medical necessities, but are also an excellent investment alternative. Number 3, drugstores and pharmacies in general. Pharmacies and drugstores can make a good replacement property for your 1031 exchange. Beyond the traditional pharmacy, since the COVID-19 pandemic, they have transitioned into providing primary care as well, such as vaccination and lab test services, among many others. Some of them have also started to test with smaller buildings to serve and deliver prescriptions quicker. The top two drugstores in the United States that we recommend are Walgreens and CVS. Both of them are investment-grade tenants with a solid reputation and long-term track record. Number 4, gas stations and convenience stores. Gas stations and convenience stores can also make a great replacement property for your 1031 exchange. Gas is another essential and primary necessity that we will never be able to buy in Amazon. Moreover, most gas stations nowadays come with a state-of-the-art convenience store and fast food store as well, in which people can buy food, drinks, snacks, and products of primary necessity, among many other things. Even with the proliferation of the electric vehicles technology, gas stations have started to install electric charging stations in their facilities. So gas stations and convenience stores are not going away for the foreseeable future. The top gas stations that we recommend the most are 7-Eleven, Wawa, Circle K, Racetrack, among many others. These are very strong companies with strong business concepts. Moreover, the leases are guaranteed by strong and stable companies. Number 5, dollar stores. Dollar stores are also in the first layer of necessity for the consumer. They continued operating successfully during the pandemic, even with the global supply chain complications. Nowadays, dollar stores are transitioning into the grocery market concept, in which they also sell groceries of primary necessity, such as milk, fruits, vegetables, chicken, and even seafood. The top two dollar stores are Dollar General and Dollar Tree. Both companies are investment grade and Fortune 500 companies with a solid, strong business concept and a solid track record. In summary, the top 5 best triple net properties to buy for your 1031 exchange are: number 1, fast foods and coffee shops; number 2, medical and primary care facilities; number 3, pharmacies and drugstores; number 4, gas stations and convenience stores; number 5, dollar stores. The key concept is choosing a company for your triple net 1031 exchange replacement that provides an essential and irreplaceable product or service to the consumer. At Casablanca, we specialize in representing triple net buyers and 1031 exchange investors nationwide USA. We have the knowledge and expertise to guide you along the way, from market research, identifying potential properties, submitting offers and negotiating them, due diligence, up to the closing table. We have helped many triple net buyers and 1031 exchange investors in finding and negotiating the best property according to their investment goals and risk tolerance. Moreover, and very important, we represent our buyers for free since we get paid from the seller, and we also pay for our buyers' closing costs up to a maximum of $10,000. This incentive will offset or cover completely the major buyer closing cost expenses, such as title fees, attorney's fees, recording fees, among others. We are the brokers that give you more in exchange of your trust. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me directly at 407-205-7570, or you can also email me at alex@casablancacre.com. Feel free to call me anytime at your convenience. I am always available for my clients. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you. Have a great day.